Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Emma, can you come here?
Yes, Mom.
I need a little help today.
Sure, I'm ready.
Your room is very messy.
Oh no, I didn't notice.
Let's clean it together.
Okay, Mom. I'll pick up my toys first.
Good idea.
They are all over the floor.
Let's put them in the toy box. Can you fold your clothes?
I'll try my best.
That's all I want.
Look, I folded them neatly. Now, I'll make my bed.
Smooth the blanket well.
Like this.
Perfect. Here's a cloth for dusting.
I'll clean the table.
Wipe gently.
It looks shiny now. These books are everywhere.
Put them back on the shelf.
In order.
Yes, from big to small.
Mom, I think we're done.
It looks beautiful.
I love clean rooms.
Me too.
Now I need help in the kitchen.
What are we cooking? Snacks for everyone.
Yay, I like that.
Wash your hands first.
Yes, kitchen rule.
Clean hands make safe food.
All clean now.
Can you bring the carrots?
From the fridge.
Yes.
Here you go. Should I wash them?
Yes, under clean water.
I'm washing carefully.
Good job. I need onions next.
Here, Mom.
Thank you.
This is fun.
Want to mix the salad?
Yes, I love mixing.
Use the big spoon.
Everything smells fresh.
Can you set the table?
Sure.
Put plates and spoons.
I'm doing it nicely.
We need water jugs.
I'll bring them.
Carefully. Okay.
Don't worry, Mom.
Want to make dough balls?
Yes, it's squishy.
Make them round.
Look, perfect circles.
Stand back a little.
Is it hot?
Yes, very hot.
I'll stay safe.
Can you pass the salt?
Here it is.
A little bit only.
Okay, Mom. Mom, the timer's beeping.
Great catch.
Should I turn it off?
Yes, please. Let's pack some snacks.
Eat in the boxes.
Yes.
I'll hold the lids.
Can you wipe the counter?
Sure, with this cloth.
Yes, wipe in circles.
All clean now. Should I throw this away?
Yes, in the bin.
Done.
Thank you. Please, stack the cups.
Big ones first.
Yes.
Stacked perfectly.
Want to taste the soup?
Yes, just a little.
Blow on it first.
Yummy.
Take this plate to the table.
I'll carry it slowly.
Good balance.
I did it. Everything looks good.
Yes, we're almost done.
I can help more.
You already did a lot.
Wow, dinner smells great.
Mom and I made it.
Good teamwork.
Thank you.
Let's all eat.
I'm hungry now.
The food is delicious.
I helped, so I'm proud.
Thank you for helping today.
I loved it, Mom.
I loved it, Mom.
And we had fun.